Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to back up and restore your Android phone. Easy methods. Before you switch phones, backup content, data, and settings from your old phone with Drive. When you sign into your Google account on your new phone, your data will be restored. Step 1. When you back up your old phone with Drive, you'll save apps, call history, device settings, contacts, and calendar. To manage your backups on your old phone, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Open the Google Drive app and then tap Menu. Tap Backups. From here, you can see all your backups. If your device is not backup, tap Backup Settings. And review the details of backing up your phone with Google One. Then, tap Turn On. To back up your info in the background, tap Backup Now. Once your backup is finished, scroll down to see the backup details. Now you can restore a backup on a new phone that's signed into the same Google account. The data you back up on your old phone gets put onto the new phone. To restore backup on your new phone, follow the on-screen steps. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.